Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device supports private DNS Android 9+. You need a DNS provider hostname, pick Cloudflare, Quad9, or your own. Once ready, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Advanced, then Private DNS and select Private DNS Provider Hostname. Type the provider hostname and save. This secures DNS with DNS over TLS. It prevents eavesdropping and may improve reliability. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi and mobile data are active so the system can validate. Next, decide whether to use the built-in private DNS or a dedicated app. Using settings with a DoT hostname is simple and system-wide. An app gives extra filtering or custom rules. If you pick an app, grant its VPN permission so it can route DNS. Apps will explain this prompt. Then test DNS resolution. Open a browser and visit a site, run a DNS leak test, or ping a domain. If names resolve quickly, and the test shows your chosen provider, you're configured correctly. To finalize, flush caches by toggling airplane mode or rebooting the phone so the new DNS takes effect. Verify again with a browser and a DNS leak test. Make sure the reported resolver matches what you entered. If resolution fails, switch private DNS to automatic temporarily, re-enter the hostname carefully, or try a different provider. As a troubleshooting tip, if DNS still doesn't resolve, disable any VPN or firewall app. These can intercept DNS. Reboot after changes to ensure the system applies the correction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.